I'll bet you're sitting right now, and I'm sure, like most, you're sitting way too long. In this video, I'm gonna give you a 5-minute routine that's gonna walk through some stretches that's gonna help reduce back pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, headaches, and it's even gonna help fix your posture. I want you to take less than 5 minutes, walk through this stretching routine with me, because I know it's gonna make you feel better and it's gonna help your posture. Let's get to it. This routine is going to show you 6 simple stretches you can do right now with me to show you how you can break your sitting posture and help you feel better. Stick to the end because I'm going to give you one important tip that's going to bring everything together that you absolutely must do to make this more effective. Each of these stretches are going to take about 30 seconds, so you'll be able to get through this routine in less than 5 minutes. I want to get started right now. The first one, we're going to get started right away. Get to the edge of your chair, pull your shoulders back, elevate, and depress nice and slowly. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. This is going to open up your chest, create some mobility in your shoulders, which is indirectly going to help with any neck tension you might have. So hope you're doing this with me. Keep going. We need to do this for about 30 seconds before you start to feel it. It's a simple movement, but it's very effective. The next one we're going to get right into, again, for 30 seconds. It's just a flexion and extension of your lumbar spine. You can put your hands here. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Don't hyperextend and don't hyperflex. Go to about 75% of your range of motion. Again, this is going to get your lumbar spine moving, create a little bit of mobility, and stretch out some much needed stretch from you sitting for most of your day. Again, just keep doing this with a nice, smooth, rhythmic movement, not too hard on either movement, and we're going to do this for about 30 seconds. Okay, next move, very simple. Take our arm, make sure you're sitting up tall for this. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. You don't need to bounce this, or you don't need to push too hard, but you want to feel this. You want to feel your shoulder blade moving across your back, and you're going to feel your neck and some of the tension release. Great, and now we're going to move to the other side. Again, across our body, rotate the opposite side, and if you want further stretch, you can tuck your chin and pull your head back slightly. Hold this for 30 seconds. Good. Nice, smooth stretch. Okay, we're about halfway through. Let's keep going. Okay, for this next one, you're going to have to grab the backs or the side, whatever you do to grip. What we're going to do for this one is we're going to grasp, pull our shoulders back, keep our head straight forward, and lean forward. You don't want to round forward, so you want to keep your neutral lumbar spine, and you want to hold this for, again, 30 seconds or so. If you find it difficult, then you can take a break after 10 to 15 seconds, but get right back into it. Again, pull your shoulders back, lean forward, open up your chest, keep your head looking forward, not down, and make sure your lower back is staying flat. You'd really start to feel this stretch. One of my favorite ones. A few more seconds here before we move on to the next. All right, we're going to come up gently, relax a little bit. A very simple one. Just bring our knee to our chest. You can put your leg, just your heel, on the edge of the chair. You can kind of slowly lean into the stretch. We're going to do both sides here. Again, holding for about 30 seconds on each side. You're going to feel this stretch in your glute and your hamstring. And some of you with very tight low backs, you might feel it there as well. Make sure your head is up. You're not looking down. Keep in neutral position always for these stretches. You do a good job. We're going to switch to the other side just in a few more seconds here. Again, making sure you're holding these for at least 30 seconds. If you want, you can go longer, but definitely your goal should be 30 seconds for each. Opposite leg. Some of you might find that your mobility in one hip is less than the other. It's okay, just work to your tolerance. And again, nice and tall, head up, You should feel this in your glute and your hamstring, and maybe some of you in your lower back. You can pull your leg a little bit closer if you want, holding for about 30 seconds. You're doing well, you're almost there. We got one more, and I'm going to show you one thing to bring it together to make sure you're feeling good when you're sitting at your desk all day. Okay, for this last one, we're going to sit to the edge of our chair again. We're going to bring one leg out as far as we can get it. If you can get it 45 degrees or more, that would be good. And we're going to sit up fairly tall. Our hand, or one of the same side, is going to come from our elbow, and we're going to just bend our elbow to our knee. Really try to open up the opposite side of the lower back and hold this for 30 seconds. If you want to make it more difficult, you can stretch out this leg. It'll get a little more of the hamstring and leg. I'm going to keep mine up like this because I can still feel it in my adductors and in my hamstring as well. And you can grab the opposite side of the chair if you want, just to kind of help guide you. Okay, and now the other side, same thing. Front of the chair, it's this one straight. This leg's out 45 to 90. Opposite side, grab, and just, again, open up this side of your lower back. Again, this one's really good because it affects your lower back, your mid back, your hip, your glute, and your hamstring. Something that's needed when we're sitting for most of our day. A few more seconds. Again, try to hit that 30 seconds. And then come back to neutral. You can work through this routine twice back to back, or what I'd recommend is doing it at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, just to break that cycle. The most important thing though, we need to stand up. Stand up frequently throughout your day. It just breaks the postural pattern. It helps bring that hunched forward posture back, but it also helps with your hips, your lower back, mid back, neck, and can even help with that tight muscle in your neck causing headaches. Do this routine. I know if you do this daily a couple times, you're gonna notice a huge difference within a week or two. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like videos like this, show some support by giving me the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, maybe you'll consider subscribing so you can be informed when I upload a new video. Thanks for tuning in. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, stay well.